Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your National Australia Bank account. So follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your web browser and in the search bar type in National Australia Bank Login. And as the search result, you can see in the first option NAB Internet Banking. Click on it. It will redirect you to the login portal of National Australia Bank. And over here in this portal, enter the NAB ID of your account and in the password section, enter your password. You guys can click here on Remember My NAB ID if you are using a private computer for further use, but I do not recommend if you are using a public or shared computer. And once you do that, click on Login button. You will be logged into your NAB banking account. And in case if you guys forgot your login credentials, you can click here Forget your NAB ID or password to reset it. Also, if you guys want to create a new account, you can click here on Register Now. So this much for this video. This is all about logging into your NAB internet banking. Hope you guys understand and find our video helpful. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.